friends, today we are going to make a salad of lentils. This is the cup that I will use to make the recipe. This is the size of the cup, and we add just a little bit of lentils because we're gonna add some vegetables. Once we have the size of the cup, we are going to add it into a bowl and add some water in it till it softens. We're gonna mix it just a little bit so it gets all the lentils very wet. And we will leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now after a little bit we add this to boil. Once we boil it, we wash it with cold water and let it dry. We take a bowl and we add the lentils. We pour the quantity that we want. For example, I add half. The rest, I'll keep it to the fridge for following recipes. I added to the lentils 1 tomato, half of medium onion, 1 carrot and parsley. You can add cheese, olives, whatever you like. Now I add a little bit of salt, as much as you like. Now we mix it. And vinegar. It's a very healthy salad and fresh. You can eat it in summer when it's too hot or in winter. It's very healthy and very tasty.